Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NIO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, another very eventful day on this one, especially when you consider that opening part of the day. Price gapped down a little bit, dropped all the way to that area, and then fought very nicely back up to almost retest the highs from Monday, but nonetheless, still have a whole lot of eyeballs watching this one moving forward. And the one dynamic here that we really got solidified, and that, this is not some sort of great discovery on my part. It just is going to be an area that so many more people are now going to be watching, and that is that $54 mark. You go back to Monday, and right there, 54 was the problem point. And then you look at today, and right here, sure, it didn't hit at 54 exactly, but I think we can all agree that general area got within the general ballpark. So there's just going to be so many more eyeballs watching 54. I mean, in my opinion, there are already a ton of people watching 54, but now after today's price movement, just that many more. So while nothing is guaranteed, I'm emphasizing all this because when you have a lot of people watching the same level and wondering the same thing, and you know that every breakout player and their brother's uncle is now watching 54, it's more than valid to think that if the price were to come up there and get a break up through that level, that break in and of itself could very well create quite a bit of upside buying pressure. Again, I'm not saying that's guaranteed to happen, but 54 now becomes a very watch level after today's price movement. As far as levels of support are concerned, nothing new relative to report. Still have that $50 mark down there. Now, the one dynamic that is a little bit more relevant is that purple line has crossed up above 50. So technically speaking, the 50-period moving average is now more important than that $50 mark because, again, it's a moving average. That line has moved up above there. So keep an eye on that area. But it's not like if the price drops below that purple line, then everything's totally destroyed because, again, you still do have that $50 mark down there. But all in all, I still think that main area to watch moving forward is going to be that $54 mark. So let's see if the price can eventually get the break of it or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.